I need to recruit a party to fight off the evil that threatens this world. Black mage, white mage, and warrior.
That's social justice, warrior.
Yeah, right. Whatever.
I'll deal with this.
It's not your turn, warrior.
Oh, I get it. The ninja always gets to go first, huh? At least be aware of your agility privilege.
Oh, black mage, use Faraga on that troll. White mage, heal me.
Wow, so the black mage kills and the white mage heals? Talk about regressive labeling.
What's wrong with that? Black mage's job is
Oh my god, listen to yourself. Black mage? Are we living in the 1950s?
Well, that's what he is!
He has a name, you bigot!
She's right. It's Darren. I didn't want to say anything, but yeah, Darren.
For the last time, you can't wear ninja armor. You're a warrior. You have to wear warrior armor.
Oh, forcing me into traditional class roles with my clothing. Don't you know many people identify as class fluid?
I don't get what any of that means. The hour is nigh. We must destroy this foul harbinger of evil.
Evil? Wow. Okay, all you're doing is othering people you disagree with.
That's it! I totally agree with you that there are harmful societal trends that negatively impact traditionally oppressed groups and that we should work to remedy them and promote tolerance and equality. Ignoring them and attacking those who try to bring attention to those topics would be shameful. But can it wait until after we stop the 40-foot-tall god demon from casting the world into eternal darkness with the hell crystal?
Yeah, I get you're trying to help me, but I am explicitly trying to end all life on the planet.
Stop right there. Trigger warning.
Psh, trigger warning?
I said trigger warning.
Haha, social justice warrior, you've done it. Here's your 77 gold.
Thank you, ninja. This is so... my job is so hard.
And 100 gold for the rest of us. What? What's it? Oh, shit. Right.